Almost everyone has been to a doctor's office or hospital at least once in their life. If you're sick, that is where you will go to receive the best care. But oftentimes, we forget about the help in those buildings that save thousands of lives. Those heroes are called nurses and doctors. Let's take a look into what exactly nurses and doctors do. Nurses work hard to monitor a patient's health and recovery. They operate and monitor medical equipment, teach families how to manage long-term illnesses, intubate patients, give blood transfusions, and much more. Nurses have a big role in not only helping their patients receive the best care, but their families as well. Doctors work hard to perform life-saving surgeries, prescribe life-saving medications, make the best decision regarding their patient's health, diagnose patients, and much more. It is because of doctors that people are able to have life-saving treatments. It is evident that we owe a big thank you to nurses and doctors. Let's take a look at how nurses and doctors have saved my loved ones. Nurses and doctors have saved many people around me in my life. This past year, I started working with a family that had quadruplets, born at 23 weeks gestation. Without the wonderful nurses and doctors that cured them, when they were in the NICU, they would have never made it. But thanks to them and their care, these babies were able to celebrate their first birthday a couple months ago and are all healthy today. Here, I have a picture of some of them. Nurses and doctors also played an important role in saving my sister's life. She was born with a congenital heart disease called Tralegy of Fallot. Doctors and nurses performed 4 open heart surgeries on my sister, as well as many heart caths to help her stay strong. Doctors and nurses have saved many other people around me in my life, and for that, I'm forever grateful to them. Now let's look at some of the hardships nurses and doctors have had to face. Oftentimes, nurses and doctors work much longer shifts than any other jobs. A typical work shift for a nurse is a 12-hour shift rather than a regular 8-hour shift. And a doctor that works in a hospital typically works 7 days before getting a weekend break. Not only have nurses and doctors saved many lives, they have also worked through difficult times. While everyone is off celebrating the holidays with their families, nurses and doctors are working and saving other people's lives. Nurses and doctors also work hard through the pandemic. When everyone was in their homes staying healthy, they were out risking their lives to save other people. Today, I have talked about what doctors and nurses do, as well as how doctors and nurses have saved many people in my life and the hardships that they have had to face. My hope for you today is that you have learned the importance of doctors and nurses and stop to say thank you next time you see them.